SpiceJet has dedicated a special aircraft livery on its Boeing 737 aircraft to honor the contributions of actor Sonu Sood last year during the pandemic. The key to confidence is walking into a room and assuming everyone likes you. A 9-year-old boy from Canada holds Guinness World Record for longest milk tooth of 1.02 inches. He will be soon receiving certificate world record. Butchers were the first to wear high heels. It was to keep their feet clean while slaughtering animals. When our brains are low on glucose, we are more likely to feel angry and hungry at the same time because it's harder to control our emotions. The current American flag was designed by a high school student. Beethoven never knew how to multiply or divide. The sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," uses every letter in the English language. One habit of intelligent humans is being easily annoyed by people around them, but saying nothing in order to avoid a meaningless argument. Father locked daughter in cage for using Snapchat dog filter too much. The full name for the protein, nicknamed Titin, would take 3.5 hours to say out loud. The logo of Domino's Pizza has 3 dots because there were only 3 original Domino's restaurants in 1965. They planned to add new dot for every new outlet, but the idea was dropped due to fast growth of the franchise. Sony has launched an advanced model of AC that you can wear inside your t-shirt during various forms of light exercise and outdoor activities. When someone refuses to tell you what's wrong, you tend to think it's your fault. A barber in Tamil Nadu, India has a library and gives customers 30% off if they read a book in his unique salon. In the 1950s, cigarettes were marketed as being good for you. Here is a man buying cigarettes in a hospital. A lottery winner in Jamaica wore a scary mask to collect lottery money, so his relatives won't pound him for money. Up to 70% of people have experienced the hypnic jerk, which is a falling sensation that wakes you up suddenly as you are almost asleep. The curly hair, which is still preserved, of an Egyptian pharaoh queen who died at the age of 16 3,500 years ago. Models of cars embedded in social network icons in Argentina to raise awareness against the use of phones while driving. Mysterious brain disease is spreading in Canada. The infected patients are suffering from insomnia, rapid weight loss, and hallucinations. The patients also start behaving as if their close friend or family member is replaced by a fake person. The Grandpa Gang, a group of men, the oldest being 76, committed the biggest bank robbery in English history. After climbing down an elevator shaft and drilling through a concrete wall, they stole more than $200 million in cash and jewels. Elon Musk runs a school where grades and traditional classes don't exist. One of 12 giant books written in 18th century Spanish, nearly a meter long, made with animal skin, wood and leather caps, containing scripts for religious ceremonies, being preserved at the National Autonomous University of Mexico. The teacher wore anatomy bodysuit to teach science class. This is how Michael Jackson's face transformed after 10 high-tech surgeries. 29-year-old guy Khurshid Hussain from India, who has a Guinness World Record for typing 103-word sentence in 47 seconds with his nose. A piece of Queen Victoria's wedding cake preserved for almost 200 years. one of the richest person in the world. Elon Musk is living in 400 square feet rented house as his new home after sold out his all properties. New home costs around $50,000. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.